What is CPD in the workplace? CPD in the workplace refers to the various activities and pursuits that can be undertaken by members of the workforce to boost their CPD profile. Common examples of which include optional workplace training programs, online courses, and anything that goes beyond mandatory workplace training. Enroll now with cpdcourses.com and study in your own time and at your own pace, with full tutor support whenever you need it. When you study with cpdcourses.com, there are no deadlines, no time restrictions, and no classroom visits required. We offer hundreds of fully endorsed CPD courses, delivered across multiple subject areas: communication, customer service, hotel management, HR management, diet and nutrition, environmental management, business management, marketing, cybersecurity, and many more. Take your CPD to the next level with our fully endorsed CPD activities. Don't delay. Start today. Contact us. info@cpdcourses.com. cpdcourses.com. facebook.com/cpdcourses, twitter.com/cpdcoursesuk.